2, 3, come on!
COUNT, count. On.
Correct.
O. N. On.
R.
O. U. R.
Fingers.
Fingers. F. I. N. G. E. R. S. Finger.
Okay, so we all start to count on our fingers. So matuto daw kita mag count. Unsang count?
Ihap.
Ihap on our fingers. Unsa bang fingers? Kamot. Kinti ang two fingers. So nagtuto daw kita mag-count sa ato mga fingers. So next, only later we count mentally.
Only later the counts
We
W E we count
mentally.
M E N T A L L Y mentally.
Okay, so only later we count mentally. So later pa, dugay-dugay pa na natuon kita mag-count sa ato huna-huna. Kay dati 'di ba, bisan karon 'di ba pag mag-plus maggamit pa kita hands. Pero kung expert na ka, pwede na ka mag-count sa imo huna-huna lang, dili na ka kinahanglan mag-ana pa sa imo fingers, 'di ba? Okay. But there are some who use their fingers in counting even if they are in their intermediate grades. So, but there
There there are some some your
who
W H
O
who
use
U S E your use
their
T H E I R their finger
correct.
and chair
Tanong letter. Counting.
counting
Okay, so, cuando alekaste working with exponents, cosa tu intende na lesson? Working with exponents. Cosa el exponents? Wala ba? May baka mo kail aprende na grade 7? Grade 8? El exponents? Okay, please read this aloud.
B
raised to n.
B raised to n means NB.
Anong naintindihan mo dyan? So, ang ibig sabihin nito, pag may number, B, yan yung whole number. N is the exponent. So, B means the B's, etong B's, is multiplied together. N is how many times? So, for example, ito, Bn is equals to B times B times B until, for example, ito, 5 raised to the 4th power means you will multiply 5 how many times?
4.
4 times. So, let's look at this another example. Yung manok, andito na naman sa akin. Example, 2 times negative 2 raised to the 3rd power plus 4 times 3 raised to the 3rd power. So, how will you solve this? The solution is 2 times negative 2 raised to the 3rd power plus 4 times 3 raised to the 2nd power is equals to, so, dito, kasi yung exponential number is here sa parenthesis, diba? Sa negative 2. So, you multiply negative 2 3 times. So, how will you multiply negative 2 3 times? So, 2 times 2 times 2 equals?
Negative 6.
No, multiply. 2 times 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2?
4.
4 times 2? 8. So, since this is negative, you will still retain the negative sign. So, plus 4 times 3 raised to the 2nd power. So, which means you will multiply 3 how many times?
2.
2. So, 3 times 3?
6.
3 times 3?
9.
9. So, now that you have the answer for the numbers inside the parentheses, okay, so now you will multiply 2 times negative 8 is equals to?
Negative 10.
Times.
Negative 16.
16. Plus 4 times 9? 36. So, negative 16 plus 36 is equals to?
52.
No, this is negative.
Negative.
So, negative 16 plus 36, what will happen?
Excuse me.
So, it will be, instead of plus, you will? Minus. So, it will be?
20.
Okay. Okay, do this exercise. So, what's the instruction?
Express each product as a power.
So, what's product? What operation will you use if you want to find the product? Diba? Addition is sum. Subtraction is difference. Product is?
Divide.
No. Division, ang answer niya is quotient. Pag product, the operation is multiplication. Unsa ang multiplication? Times, okay? So, express each product as a power. Unsa meaning sa instruction? Power is the kaniha n. O, example, ito. Number 1. Y times Y times Y times Y times Y. So, unsa ang answer?
5.
How will you write it? number 1 dito. So, how will you write that? With the exponential, in exponential form. Para dito yung sa example, diba? 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So, sinulat 5 raised to 4. Bakit 5 raised to 4? Kasi
multiply sa 5 times 5 times 5 times 5.
pila ka buok to?
4.
Upat. O, ganun gagawin mo dito. So, paano mo na yun isulat ngayon? Yung y times y times y times y.
Equals naman.
Correct. Number 2. Isulat mong question dito, tas ang answer. So, how will you write that?
Parehas lang yan po, ano ma'am?
No, wrong. Express lang, express. Ito wrong rin. Di 5 raised to 5. Y raised to 5. Kasi y man to. So, ito dito, gagayahin mo lang yan. Parenthesis, negative 3 raised to, kung pila ka buok ni, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nagets mo na? O, number 3. Please read.
Properties of exponent. Multiplying powers with like base.
Uy, ayun na si Kambing! Say!
If b is a real number and m and n are integers, then b raised to the power of m point plus b raised to the power of n
I'm sorry, times galit, times
b raised to the power of m equals b raised to the power of n plus n.
Okay? So, for example, ang sabi dito, kung yung B is yun yung whole number, diba? Tapos, pag i-multiply mo, same base number, different yung exponents nila, ang gagawin mo lang, ipa-plus mo yung exponents. Okay? So, for example, meron tayong 2 raised to the second power plus 2 raised to the third power is equals to, how will you solve that in solution? I'm sorry, times pala to, times. Okay, so 2 raised to the power of
2
plus 3. So, how will you write that now? Equals, muna 2 raised to the wrong. Diba 2 plus 3? So, raised to the
5.
And the answer is equals, so 2 times 2,
4
4 times 2, 8 times 2,
16
16 times 2.
32.
The answer is, okay. Next. So, that is the first properties of exponents. So, isulat mo dito. Properties of exponents.